The Freight Transport Association, FTA, based in Tunbridge Wells, is one of the largest trade associations in the UK, with members moving goods by road, rail, sea, and air. Its mission is to represent the views and interests of over 13,000 companies from the transport industry, from large multinationals and household names to small and medium businesses. FTA policy is decided by its members from all modes, through its quarterly regional and national councils. National councils comprise the British Shippers Council, the Rail Freight Council, the Road Freight Council, and the Freight Council. The FTA also provides members with services that help them to operate safely, efficiently, and in an environmentally sustainable way. History. Following the 1888 Railway and Canal Traffic Act, traders were given a right of complaint to the Board of Trade if they felt that railway rates or services were unreasonable. That resulted in an influential group of traders coming together in July 1889 and creating an organization called the Mansion House Association on Railway Rates. Amongst its first members were Mr. J. Coleman of Reckitt and Coleman, and a Mr. Thomas Blackwell of Cross and Blackwell. The arrival of the internal combustion engine led to the formation in 1904 of the Motor Van and Wagon Users Association, which changed its name to the Commercial Motor Users Union in 1907. In 1921, the third and final segment of the FTA was formed, the Traders Coordinating Committee on Transport. Over the years, the work of the Mansion House Association expanded into more road-orientated matters, and in 1931 changing its name to the Mansion House Association on Transport. In 1944, the Commercial Motor Users Association decided that each of its constituent sectors needed its own identity and was reformed into three organizations. The own account sector became the Traders Road Transport Association. In 1964, the Mansion House Association changed its name to the National Traders Traffic Association. And finally, in 1969, the three groups, the Traders Road Transport Association, the Traders Traffic Association and the Traders Coordinating Committee, joined together to become the Freight Transport Association. In 1979, the group was further strengthened when the British Shippers Council, representing exporters and importers, became a part of FTA. Research. FTA conducts research and reports which are of use to its members, legislators and policymakers. Of particular note is the Quarterly Transport Activity Survey, increasingly used by government and the public policy arena as an economic performance indicator. Organization. FTA National Executive Board. Lee Pomlett, President. Siva Graup, Rebecca Jenkins, Vice President. Greater than. John Moxon, Honorary Treasurer. Palmer and Harvey. Kevin Appleton, Horizon Platforms Limited. Ray Ashworth, DAV Trucks. Vincent Brickley, Tandem Transport Service. Andrew Haynes, Tate & Lyle. Graham Roberts, Hellenic Carriers. Ian Stansfield, Asda Logistics Services and Supply Chain. Ian Veach, Usen Logistics. Europe. BV. Laura Thomas Burkitt's LLP. Perry Watts, DHL Supply Chain. David Wells, Freight Transport Association. John Williams, Maritime Transport. Carol Woodhead, Hermes. FTA Personnel. David Wells, Chief Executive. James Hookham, Managing Director of Communications and Policy. Trevor Cook, General Manager Safety, Health, Environment and Quality. Sally Thornley, Director of Compliance. Chris Welsh, Director, European and Global Policy. Karen D., Director, National and Regional Policy. Nigel Smart, Director of IT and Development. Philippa Atwood, Director of Marketing and Communications. Campaign for Safe Road Design. In July 2008, the FTA became a partner in the Campaign for Safe Road Design, which is calling on the UK government to make safe road design a national transport priority. Freight Transport Association.